Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change who can see when you are last online on the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app, and here it usually opens up in the chat where we have our conversations. From here we have to swipe to the right, then tap on settings, and in settings tap on privacy and security. Here, if we scroll down a bit, under the privacy section, we find last seen online. If you tap on this, then at the top we can select who can see when we were last online. It can either be everybody, my contacts, or nobody. We can also add exceptions. Yeah. After we are done, we just tap on OK in the top right corner and save our decision. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.